Hold up.
Assalamualaikum, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look right here. So if you're interested to know, keep on watching and watch this video until the end because I have very exciting news for you guys, so stay tuned. But before we start, I just wanted to tell you guys that all the brushes that I use in today's video are from Doe Color. So the brushes are super soft and good quality and the packaging is the bomb, okay? So if you're interested to get these brushes, you can check out the description box below. grungy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I do. And about the exciting news, I just wanted to share with you guys that I will be having a makeup and skincare class on this 13th May. So if you guys interested to join my class, you can check the description box below for more information and details. And the fee is super affordable, only 60 ringgit for one person. But if you register 2 person and above, you will get 50 ringgit for one person. Okay, super cheap, super affordable. So if you guys interested, please join, and I'm very looking forward to see you guys. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Assalamualaikum. Hai.
Anak-anak nak tahu je sikit je, ha?
Stay till the end, and stay. Before we start into this video, but before that, I'm just saying. Salah aku ni.
Dah kan cakap bismillah.
But before that, diamlah. All the brushes that I use into this, into this video. Mama.
Okay. Caramel. Lah, dah. Masa apa nation? Okay.